Oh my god, the hat doesn't even fit in the frame. So basically I filmed this whole thing and then I went downstairs and I showed my mom and she was like, were you wearing the hat? And I was like, no. Now she's making me refill my intro with a little bit more color and flair. Because that's what Mexico is all about. Alright, so hola chicos y chicas, bienvenido a mi canal. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup tutorial is Mexican inspired for the World Cup. Hi Twink, do you like my makeup? Do you like it? She's very confused about the hat. I had a lot of fun doing this look today. Hi baby. Hi. I had so much fun doing this look, and yeah, so if you want to see how to get this look inspired by the Mexican flag, please keep on watching. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, SamIamBeautyX, and I now have a Facebook page, which is SamIamBeauty, so check that out too. Don't forget to hit subscribe and thumbs up and comment down below, and we'll just get right into it. Okay, so since I'm doing the Mexican flag, I have to decide how I want to do this, because if I make it symmetrical, then one of the flags will be backwards, but I don't want to do it like not symmetrical because I think it would look funny. I think I'm just gonna make it symmetrical and have one of the flags backwards because I mean, it's about the creativity and the process, and I know it'll turn out great in the end, so yeah. So I do already have my face done. I went and got my nails done earlier. Look at these bad boys. Shout out to Victoria Nails in Guelph on Stone Road. I will link them down below. But yeah, look how bomb these are. But yeah, so that's why I already have my face makeup on, because I went to go get my nails done. So happy with how they came out. So I think I'm going to use mostly MAC shadows today. And I'm just going to start off with a really, really light transition shade. This is Kid. I'm really excited for this look. I'm gonna do the green on the inside and the red on the outside. So I'm just gonna start off with my MAC eyeshadow in Kelly. And I'm gonna just make the whole flag across my eye on the top and bottom. So I'm gonna go in on the bottom lid too. So for those of you who don't know me personally, I am Mexican. Well, my mom was born in Mexico. I was born in Canada, but it still makes me Mexican. I'm only half Mexican though. My dad is Hungarian, but unfortunately Hungary isn't in the World Cup, so otherwise I would do a look for them as well. Although it would be really similar, because they have the same colors on their flag. It's just like horizontal stripes rather than vertical stripes. And now I'm gonna go in with red. And for the red, I'm using another MAC shadow in Newsflash. So my family is very, very into the World Cup, very into soccer. I don't think my TV has been turned off since the World Cup started. My mom and my brother religiously watch every game, doesn't matter who's playing. Mexico won their first 2 games, so I'm hoping they can. I'm pretty sure they're going to make it to the round of 16. Fingers crossed and all that stuff. Whew. As if not, my family's going to be really sad. I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm just going to define that white section on the top and bottom. Lately, I have just been very kind of in my creative mode. Like, I've just been very inspired to be doing different bright bold looks. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna blend it. And since I don't have a white MAC eyeshadow, I'm just gonna take Cake Face from Lunar Beauty and just set the white base that we put down. Now for the little eagle-y part, I'm just gonna take a bit of brown eyeshadow and I'm just kind of gonna stamp that in the middle there. Something else I'm going to do is I'm going to add some gold glitter to that little brown section. And I feel like that will really kind of help distinguish the flag. I'm gonna add some lashes. Yeah, I'm gonna add some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I have some red lipstick on. This is Mangrove by MAC. I also added some highlights. It is the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie highlighter in Fuego. I also added some MAC Peaches blush, and you can see I have my lashes on, my mascara on, and this is the final look. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Let's show you a little close-up. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this look, and follow my Instagram, SamIamBeautyX, and I also now have a Facebook page. It's SamIamBeauty. And yeah, I just post all my new looks, a lot of stuff that I don't post on YouTube, or I just post a lot of stuff on those too, so follow those please, and subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment saying if you like the look, saying who you're cheering for in the World Cup, saying what else you'd like to see on my channel, anything like that. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Hope I did it justice. Are you comfortable now? Are you gonna stop moving now? Kind of? Why? Yeah? Yeah. In 10 minutes? I'm gonna take